Today I'm going to show you how to re-grout the tiles in your bathtub or your bathroom. You might have them on the wall or what have you. You can see here where it's just begun to fall out, and it's just about all gone right here. And what you want to do first is you want to get some sort of a wire brush or a stiff plastic brush, and you just first wipe the area off, and you're just going to go in one direction so that you don't fling all of this crud all over the bathroom. You just want to make sure that it's clean, free from dirt and stuff. You might, if you have some stubborn spots, you might want to get a grout scraper or a grout remover and scrape it some, but this is pretty much all gone right there. Just make sure you wipe it off, rinse out your sponge a few times, and just make sure that it's all nice and clean before you start to grout. Now you're going to have to let the water dry for about 10 minutes before you start to grout, and in that time you can pre-mix the grout and you have it all ready.